Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an in-depth Microlocs wash day routine. I'm starting with my ACV Rinse. I love this for a really good clarify. I'm going in with a couple of drops of peppermint oil, 2 parts apple cider vinegar, 1 part water. Get that in the spray bottle, shake it up, and then you're just going to go in and spray. Before that though, I do like to detangle my locks. This has really been crucial as my locks get longer because even though they're locks, they do get a little bit tangled still, so I just like to make sure that everything is detangled, basically. I'm going to shake my hair to get rid of any lint or dust that's sitting on top of my locks. Then I'm going to go in with my ACV Rinse. I love doing it this way because it's quick, it's easy, it gets the job done, and I don't have to put my head into a sink. So this for me is just an easy way to clarify my scalp, basically detox, refresh my scalp, and also my hair. If your locks are feeling weighed down or anything, then definitely do this. And then you cannot forget the scalp massage. This is essential and something I look forward to whenever I do an ACV rinse. So before we get into the rest of the video, I wanted to quickly share with you some pieces that I was kindly sent by Louisa. This part of the video is sponsored by Louisa. This is the perfect time to check out their website because it is the holiday season. Louisa has jewelry pieces with unmatched styles and they start as low as $39. I think it's really important to get jewelry that's going to last a long time and also to gift jewelry that is going to last a long time and continue to look good over the years. I have this piece, nice and simple gold, dainty. It has 2 pieces hooked here, intertwined together. And then these earrings, these cuff earrings. I love the width of these and the design. Let's get back into my hair washing routine. Okay, so now let's get into the actual washing part of my wash day. So of course I'm going to rinse out all of the apple cider vinegar that was just in my hair. You don't want to let that sit for too long. Then I'm going in with my shampoo. How cute are these bottles, by the way? I transferred my Suave clarifying shampoo to these bottles I got from Amazon. They're linked in my storefront if you're interested. It just looks way better to me. Then I'm going to go in with that as well as the anti-dandruff shampoo by Dove. You can see that I keep going back because I start with how much I think I'll need and then I always have to add more shampoo for the first wash. Make sure to use the tips of your fingers or the pads of your fingers, whatever you want to call it, and scrub, scrub, scrub. Also going to hit the back of my hair and you'll see that all of my locks don't get super soapy, but that's okay because I'm going to take care of that for my second shampoo. Okay, we're going into the second shampoo. I'm doing the same thing. Usually I don't use a clarifying shampoo twice, but because I hadn't washed my hair in over a week, almost 2 weeks, which is not normal for me, my hair felt really weighed down. So I'm spreading the soap or the shampoo through my hair like you just saw. And you can see how much faster the lather happens because my hair is way cleaner than it was before. So I'm just going all throughout and I'm kind of like squeezing the suds and the soap into my locks to really get a thorough, deep clean. Then I'm going to remove a lot of the suds and soap so that I can apply my conditioner. I'm using one by OGX. And then I just coat the conditioner mainly on the ends of my hair with the shampoo still in my locks. This is really what works for me, and I find that I don't need to actually do the extra step of washing out the shampoo and then doing conditioner on its own. This makes my locks really soft. Then I'm going to go in and of course thoroughly rinse out all of that shampoo. And that's it for the washing part. Now we're getting into what I do after the shower. So post-shower lock care, for me it just looks like adding my favorite oils. This is the rosemary oil by Miel Organics. I add that into my scalp and just massage it in again nice and gently. I'm also going in and detangling my locks as I do this just so that everything looks nice and neat. Then I'm going to go in with this OGX spray, argan oil spray, and I'm just coating that all over my locks, specifically the mids and ends of my hair, to add shine. And that is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed my Microlocs wash day in-depth routine. This is pretty much what I do every single time I wash my hair. This time I did have that extra step of doing the apple cider vinegar rinse. I don't do that every wash day, but regardless, this is my go-to routine, and my hair is squeaky clean. It feels soft, it looks shiny, as you can see. So I'm loving that. Love wash day. I love it and I hate it. I dread it, but then when I'm done with it, I feel good. Don't forget to check my link in the description box to go shop and get up to 35% off your jewelry during this holiday season. I really appreciate your support with this video, and make sure to click that link to show support to my channel. I've also recently updated my Amazon storefront, so if you want to shop the things that you saw in this video, make sure to go check out my Amazon storefront. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!